Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the FN buttons on your DualSense Edge PlayStation 5 controller. And this is actually really easy to do. This allows you to change profiles really quick. So I'm just going to hold down the microphone and mute my audio. But I like holding down the left one here. If I hold this down, I can see all my different profiles. Also, I can go to Customize Profile, adjust my headphones right here by using the D-pad up and down. And then the game chat left and right. So it's very easy to adjust those settings. But if I want to switch profiles, I can go to FN key, O, well that's the one I'm at, and then I can go to X for my sniper class I set up, FPS no vibrations or trigger effects, or my default one. But to go to the settings, just hold down FN key and options. And here is my custom profiles. So I can easily go to, here's my FPS one. I can go to Customize Profile and my buttons right here, and I can remap anything. So I have it set up for my first-person shooters, and here's my stick sensitivity. So you can easily swap between all your different custom profiles. So I have one specifically just for sniper rifles, and I'm using the digital sensitivity curve. And this will make my controller quite a bit more sensitive, right around maybe 5 to 10% with my trigger, like my thumbstick movements. So it's going to ramp up my speed, my sensitivity for those, and I can have a lot more snap to my sniper. So I could be playing Call of Duty, I'm running around, I'm just using my default FPS settings. I pick up a sniper, hit this FN key, press X, and then I'm switching over to my sniper setup. And my sensitivity will increase then too, and I can just snap on targets a lot easier. So it's really cool to use the FN button for that, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.